I don't want to shake his hands. Happy to meet you, buddy. So in this case, you got to do the packaging design and everything before you feed it to the system. Yeah, it's already printed, right?
What material is that? Like
I think you can sort and package still.
just take it off from the manufacturing line to bring it to the warehouse.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, like cookies and stuff you want to keep dry, yeah. But dry food. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you got like a little speed over there. Yeah.
And we also can airplane. Yes, we also can do the base.
Or the base, at the bottom of the top.
It's like meant for the flyer.
Okay, you don't do that. Only do the machine, right?
Just like that.
No.
It's not like the
That was from America. So how many boxes can you do in that things like that? Just independently waiting for people to search out kind of way. Look at the starch. Like it's more like sorting and stuff, right? I think you can sort and package still.
Just take it off from the manufacturing line to ready to do it. Yeah.
1 ton self-service vending machine. Kind of sounds weird, but 2026. I think it's weird anymore. Yeah.
能靠每小时0.8度。
Oh, this one, yeah. Then it brings it over and then drops it here. How do you think of a thing like this? I'm wondering what the sequence is, right? Hello. Oh, like cookies and stuff you want to keep dry, yeah. So you wrap up like the, I think it's aluminum. Got aluminum sheets. Yeah. So it feeds into the certain way. And then once you get like the, you get the milk from the top, right? You feed it into it. Then it's just a down there. The stuff like this.
Sorry.
Hey,
Can I help you?
Yeah, she's helping us.
Okay.
It's okay. The sushi from Baha. So one machine can make all these.
Yes. Yes.
That's pretty cool. So do you like, is it like a conveyor or just this small one? Just this small machine and the top?
Yes, and
Okay.
According to your product, we can equip it with a different different wear. For
Got it.
example, 14 head or 16 head.
Yeah. So this is a bigger size.
Yeah, it's more bigger, maybe 16.
16, right?
Yeah. And this film. This machine model 420 means the maximum film is 420.
Oh, 420, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
420, but also can 400 or 380.
Okay, anything less than
Yeah.
420, but not more than 420.
Yeah. Max
Gotcha.
is 420.
420. Okay.
Yes.
So all you need is this is the entire line.
Yes.
No extra line. You don't need any extra line.
If
No
cus-
conveyor, nothing.
If customer, yes, no conveyor now.
Okay.
Now no conveyor.
No conveyor.
Yeah. But we can equip it with
Conveyor.
conveyor for customer.
Got it. So you're trying to tell me this size is it from here?
Yes.
420?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, right?
In the mirror. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
And the film.
Inside you have the film
Back
line.
side is double.
Yeah.
Film is double. And add this back side. Maybe.
So all this comes from the same machine.
Yes.
Oh, you got like a little street going down. Interesting. Yeah. Trying to get this con. Yeah, it's like a big sieve. It shakes off and picks out, you see that? The small unwanted granules and separate it from the big chunky ones for packaging. This is like a massage gun kind of vibe. So in this case, you got to do the packaging design and everything before you feed it into this machine. Yeah, it's already printed, right?
Takes it off. It takes it off.
I think it can equally screw it back on, right?
Unscrew it. Oh, it opens and then it fills up and then it closes.
You can definitely tell this is for candy, right?
Yeah. There's no pressure.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna start it.
Midway. Oh, he's gonna start it?
You have to
Excellent.
pull it out.
This is a dry food packaging machine, so the boxes go up there, as you can see, pretty flat. It gets opened up in there. Conveyor belt picks it up, conveys it to this part, and the inside gets lined up with that PP plastic back there. And then again, it gets conveyed. There's a conveyor right there, you can see it. Goes all the way out, comes through this part, and then gets filled up. Whatever dry food you got, be it peanuts, pistachios, whatever dry nut you have, it gets filled up from this conveyor, right? So you put your nuts or whatever, it goes all the way up there, and then fills it up down here, the box with the plastic lining, and then goes to the next machine. Hold on a second. And then comes all the way here, ends up in here, and then it gets sealed up. Once it gets sealed up, it comes back down here to get picked up by the ATV. They have this automatic robot. It drops on top of it, hauls it away into packaging. That is the ATV right there, the machine right there you can see. So this whole set, this complete line, it's pretty useful actually if you think about it. This is what the packaging looks like. The box with the PP lining, dry nuts in here. The entire thing costs about $25,000. This is just for the dry packaging machine. On the other side, there is a liquid one or for fluids. The same principle, same process. The only difference being the filling part. So this one needs to be done through tubes or fed through tubes at high pressure to get the liquid down into the boxes. And this one I think was for $30,000. The fluid one, same mechanisms, same process, same everything for $30,000. The liquid part, the dry part or the dry machine was for $25,000. So if you need anything like this, you know what to do.
刚上板了。
And we also
plane, airplane.
Yes, we also can do the lead and base. 天地盖
Or the base, like the bottom and the top.
This one is made for the glue.
Made with glue.
Yes. And the box will be
Collapse.
stronger
Okay.
than this one.
Okay. Oh, this one's no, this is just folding.
Yes, just folding. And
You
this
get it?
one is
And this one
the
is just
airplane.
glue.
Yes.
Two different machines.
Yes.
How many can you load one time?
One side it is according to the box thickness.
Box thickness.
Yes. If the box is 2 millimeter, this one can put more than 200.
All right. And how many can be done in a minute or 1 hour?
What
200 pieces.
speed?
How many can come out, finish?
Speed.
Yeah,
25, more than 25.
more than 25.
Yes.
1 minute or 1 hour?
1 minute.
Depending.
Yes, 1分钟。这个速度会比这个快一点，对对，因为它很小，比较快。
That's a packaging that I've never really seen. It's a 3-in-1 packaging.
What are you doing?
Yeah, of course. $6,000,差不多6,000-7,000, $6,000-$7,000. Okay. Do you produce the tapes as well? Yeah. Do you produce them?
We can suggest you a supplier, but
Okay, you don't do that. Only do the machine, right?
You're from America?
No.
Your accent sounds like you're from America.
You too. Sound like you're from America. So how many boxes can you do per minute or per hour? Or per hour?
Per minute is about 10 to 20.
10 to 20. Okay. All right, so what is the warranty on this machine? What's the warranty?
Warranty?
Yeah.
这个保质期大概是多少？保修期？
我们只保主要部件，只有4样。1年。
Okay, 1 year warranty.
You're really not from America?
No, I'm not. Yeah.
The recognizing, not like the
Smart West. But you know what I mean? I feel like at least you gotta contract with like logistics and when there's things like that. Just independently waiting for people to search out kind of way. I don't want to shake his hand.
Everybody's shaking his hand.
Happy to meet you, buddy. Why?